Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to link your Facebook page to Instagram professional accounts. So before we start tapping through the menus, we have to make sure your Instagram account is actually set up correctly. So this trick only works if you're running a free business or creator profile. So to double check yours, just open up your Instagram, go to three lines right here, and go to your settings. Then scroll down to your account type. There you go, account type in tools. As you can see, mine is private because it gives me this prompt to switch to professional. So if you want to switch, just go here and choose what you are, creator or business, and then confirm. It only takes a few seconds. And then when you have that pro account, right under your bio layout, tap on edit profile button. Then you just scroll down and tap right on the section labeled page. Hit continue on the pop-up that appears. And Instagram will prompt you to log into your Facebook. Make sure you do that. Use your personal Facebook profile that actually owns and manages your business page. Pretty simple. And then once authorized, a clean list of the pages you manage will slide up. Select the correct page name and tap connect, and you're synchronized. Enjoy. If this helps, subscribe as always.